In this video, sponsored by Lancaster Insurance, you could be a winner. This all relates to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show. There's quite a title for you. It takes place at the NEC in Birmingham on the 22nd to the 24th of March. And I did a report last year, which you can see linked somewhere. And yeah, I will include some footage here as well to show you the delights that are on offer at this show. Indoor show, lots of classic cars, lots of halls, and plenty to see, and a bit of an emphasis on the everyday classics, not so much at a sports car end, and lots of barn finds and other wonderful creations. It always tends to be a fantastic show, and you could win tickets. We have 5 pairs to give away. You can use them on any of the 3 days. It's a Friday to Sunday job. I'll be there all 3 days as well. I'm not on a specific stand, but you will be able to find me on the Lancaster Insurance stand at set times. A bit nearer the time we'll tell you what times those will be, where I'll be just turning up just to say hello, really. Won't have any merchandise with me, it's not that sort of a weekend. So yeah, it'll just be a pure meet and greet. But if you would like to win tickets, jot these details down now in your notebook. It's quite simple really. All you have to do is email ian@hubnut.org and you will be entered into the draw. It'll just be a case of randomization. We shall pick some names out of a hat. We'll probably do it electronically and not with an actual hat. And yeah, you will win tickets to the show. It's that simple. I'll put some terms and conditions on the website, hubnut.org, but just to clarify, I'm not after your email address for marketing purposes. This is purely in relation to this ticket giveaway bonanza thing. So yeah, get entering. I'm not sure which day I'm publishing this video, but we will close entries on the 16th of February. So you haven't got long to react. Get your emails in, and I look forward to seeing you at the show. And maybe one year I'll be able to get the Fox there, who knows. But there you go, just a quick one. Hope you win tickets, good luck. Don't forget, email by the 16th, and that email address again is ian@hubnut.org. And yeah, we'll see what delights clubs like the Reliant Owners Club will have on their stand. It promises to be an enjoyable show, and I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in a future video. Farewell.